Morning everyone, today's task is to reach Lyulin Mountain. This is not really mountain, it's rather hill. I'm not sure how high, maybe just over 1000 meter, 1500 meter. But as far as I know, it's very sparsely populated and it's a rather wild place. But the advantage is that it's not very far from where I am. Probably 12 kilometers or so. When I checked Google Maps, it showed probably 3 hours to get there walking. So the first part of the day I was spent getting there. So here in the middle of the way we are just above Knyazhevo, and the scenery is rather nice. There are trees, birds singing. The route is a little bit muddy, but otherwise very pleasant. The journey continues, so I just got out of the trees and I'm in some kind of plain, so some kind of plate. So actually I've never been here and I'm not sure where to go now. It's interesting and nice here. Okay, I guess I'll go either toward the place, either toward these hills. I'll look into the map to see where actually is the mountain. Yeah. It's time for next update, so I picked the right way and I know where I am, and it's about 1/3 into the way to the Lyulin Mountain. I came from that direction, so we can see Vitusha, Sofia, and Lyulin Mountain is somewhere there. Something that the camera can't catch is the scent here. It smells to fresh grass and flowers. Very, very pleasant. I'll continue my walk now and see you later. Okay, here I took rather unexpected turn and I'm now in a place called Bonsovi Polyani. It was famous during the communist times. There was some kind of historical meeting or something like that. But nonetheless, the place is nice. It's like grass fields with few houses around, surrounded with a forest. The weather is very nice, very calm. There are clouds, but it's warm. Okay, so I'll continue my walk. Very interesting. We have this beauty. I don't know its English name, but it's amphibian. And the interesting thing is the skin secretes weak poison, which is a bit of irritating. I never seen one of these alive. Oh, poor thing fell down. I think it went out because of the rain, and now it's looking for a place where to dig hole. Wow, it waits for better weather. Yeah, we can see it. It will find a hole and it will dig eventually. Let's leave it now. Okay, so next thing we reached, it's a small monastery called Sveti Kirill and Methodi, which means Saints Cyril and Methodius, which were the inventors of the Bulgarian and Cyrillic alphabet. It's a rather old place, probably 150 years, and inside looks rather ancient, but I'm not going to do record from the inside because it may be seen as disrespectful, but it's a very calm and nice place, even for atheists. Now I'm at one of the higher points and I found something rather interesting. I don't know what is it, but it looks like some kind of bunker. It's very dark, I can't see anything, but from what I can, I think it's several meters deep, maybe 7-8 at least. Probably it had some kind of military purpose, but I'm not sure really. Okay, I'll continue now. It's time for next update. I'm already 4 hours into the walk, and there's a very narrow path leading through the forest, and I'm not sure where it goes, probably some higher place, peak or something like that. Actually, I don't know where I am now. I can't put my finger in the map, on the map, but I'll find later. It's not a big deal. The way back. Okay, I'll continue. I keep climbing, but it's very steep and it's difficult to climb. Just look at the trees. So, the terrain. It's even steeper. Oh yeah. Okay, I think I just finished the more difficult part. It was steeper than 45 degrees. Yeah, it's just catching branches and stuff. Okay, now I'm not sure where to go exactly, but I'll find a way. Yeah, this is my favorite part, going in places where I don't have map and I don't know, so I can find my way and I can see new and unexpected things. Okay, now on my way back, I again straight from the mine path, and I have to find my way through the trees. Yeah, I think it's somewhere there. Already 5 hours walking, and I managed to find even higher place where to climb, and I'm continuing to see where this path will bring me. Okay, now in the middle of the nothing, abandoned building. There's some noises, maybe there's somebody, either human, either animal. It looks like a place where a bear will go to sleep during the winter. Looks rather spooky. I don't know what was that. Everything broken and abandoned. I've got somewhere out of the forest. This is Sofia. Nice fields. This is the east slope of Lyulin Mountain. Okay, I'll continue my walk there. Now it's very hot and sunny, probably something like 30 degrees, and the air is scented, smell of flowers, grass. There is no wind, next to no wind, pretty calm. So Knyazhevo is still covered with snow. But here in the plains it's already summer. It's late afternoon and I'm still walking towards Sofia. It's very hot and a bit humid, but it's okay. Okay, the road finished and I'm walking through the forest now. Hopefully in an hour or two I'll get out and close to some human settlement. Now next thing is to cross these brooks. Managed to do that and now should be a little bit easier. It should be, but it's not. So somehow I have to go there. For an hour in the bushes, spiny bushes, I'm again in the clear. So it's going to be a bit easier to find my way back. Very nice view from this hill. Next interesting thing, hedgehog. It's the East European type with white chest. It's a little bit different from this in England, but it's still hedgehog. It's scared and it will not show its nose. Okay, we'll leave it now. Now, exactly 10 hours later, I'm back and I covered something like 45 kilometers. Climbing, forest, and so on.